today's Sunday Chit Chat. I just wanted to really quickly come on and show you this paper pocket thing that I picked up from Barnes and Nobles. Now, if you've been around me for a little while now, you know that I love vintage floral thingies and that I love Daphne's Diary. I have not made a junk journal in a while, but I love her stuff, and it is something that I miss doing and something that I will most likely get back into. But I didn't use any. I've had this for a little while now, and I didn't use anything yet because I really wanted to do a video and show you what came in here. Again, it's from Barnes and Nobles. It's Daphne's Diary. It's not cheap. None of the Daphne's Diaries things are ever cheap, but I love them so much. So I've got this little notepad, which I think I'm going to actually stick inside my my planner, my Gibbon Techo planner. It has this game thingy that I will probably never do anything with. But yeah, it's a game board, a paper game board. But I think you definitely, you know, take it apart and use that for junk journaling. This is absolutely stunning, and I'm not sure what I would do with it, but it is so beautiful. There's all these absolutely lovely little postcards in here. And this one I actually want to send to a friend. Another postcard. And I love this one. So this one I think I might even put like in a little 4x6 frame and put it up in my craft area. It says Born to Sparkle. And then there's a little flower drawing book with tips on how to draw these, you know, flowers and such. So you could just like sketch out little flowers, which I also think I will keep inside my planner. These little Polaroid frames. So they're made where you pop out this piece of paper and then you put your photo in there and then you fold them in half, which I think is adorable. And I have a sprocket, so these are great for journaling and such. And there's several kinds. I love how springy and everything is. These are stickers. Yes, stickers, yes. And look at this monkey. He's just adorable. And I'm from Florida, so the flamingos and the parrots really speak to me. A coloring book, which I thought might be a good idea for me to maybe bring my colored pencils upstairs sometimes and just color. It's something that I used to do all the time, and then I like stopped. So maybe it would be good for me to just color, you know, to get back into the groove. I'm still struggling with getting back into the groove of art journaling and scrapbooking and everything. And then this is a paper packet thing. And sometimes I take these apart and then use them to create junk journals. So I'm not quite sure what I will do with this. I mean, obviously each piece of paper has something different printed on each side. And it's very Hawaiian spring themed. So I would have to find something that complements it in order to do that. Here's another one. Look at these flamingos inside the ice cream cones. They are adorable. So I'm really just giving you like a quick flip through of all the gorgeousness that is inside this paper pack that you can find at Barnes and Nobles. And if you're anything like me and you love Daphne's Diary and vintage stuff, then this would be for you. Oh, this is supposed to turn into a, I don't know, something. These are little boxes. So those are really cute to take out and put together and then put little trinkets inside. So all of these are like you just punch them out. This is like a poster. And it's got the toucans on there. Again, I'm not sure what I will do, but I will find something. And then this is another poster. And these are huge. Like, they're almost impossible for me to get inside the frame. But look at these colors. They are so gorgeous. Then you have some lined notebook paper, which again, is perfect for junk journals. They're double-sided. And just kind of beautiful. Some more paper. Again, double-sided gorgeousness. I love, love, love this one. I could make some really, really pretty junk journals with this. This one actually has on it words for you to practice lettering. And so does this one. I think is really cool. I have not gotten fully into the whole lettering phase, but I do admire everyone that has beautiful lettering. This is a poster. It's not a double-sided one, but it is really quite pretty. And another poster. And it says enjoy life, which I love. And the birdies look like they're enjoying life. Seriously. This is a 3D card, so you're supposed to cut all of these out and then turn them into a scene. I would cut these out and then use them in my journaling. And then these I absolutely love. You cut them out and then I laminate them and I use them as page markers in my planners, and they're so stunning. They're just so beautiful. So I don't use them, obviously, for invitations. Then these hot air balloons you cut out, which I cannot wait to dive into because I have a thing for hot air balloons. So I will use those in my journaling. These are little tag thingies. So I will definitely, some double-sided tape and stick these down in my planners. And then all this stuff that you're seeing now is stuff that I had put to the side to make sure that I bring with me for my planners. These are stickers. Are they not so freaking cute? They're little animals with plants. I mean, does it get any cuter than that? Little cactus stickers. And then these are tag stickers. So again, I know I will use those. Oh, and then this, I guess, is what goes with that 3D card here that I completely, so this goes with this. And I might use that for that too and make a little scene and then frame it, who knows. But it's just fun. It's fun to cut things out. I find it very, very relaxing to fussy cut things out. It just makes me happy. And this is what you get in, excuse me, the Daphne's paper packet thing. I love it. I think it's awesome. And probably be on the lookout sometime very, very soon for a junk journal with some of this stuff. I'm pretty sure it's gonna happen. Alrighty, thanks so much for watching this Sunday's Chit Chat. I hope you're really enjoying these videos. They're just little videos showing you things of like what I'm up to, how my planner's working out, what I'm using, and things like that. If you like this video, please let me know in the comments. Let me know if you would like me to keep going with these Sunday Chit Chat videos, or if you would like to see something else. I really am focusing on my channel this year and bringing you awesome content. So I would really, really appreciate any input. And if you aren't subscribed and you're just finding me, please hit the subscribe button for more videos. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Bye.